Now, you had to live for a while. Didn't even really have a place to live, did you?
No. I don't like to say not a place to live. Yeah, you know, you're right, I didn't. But my mom was my support system, you know? When I needed an apartment and I went and got one on my own, I couldn't afford to rent because I was trying to do comedy. So my mom, she was very religious. She said, look, Kevin, I'm gonna put you on my back. I got you for a year. You can go out, do what you wanna do. I'm gonna support you. After that, if you don't find a way to feed yourself, then you gotta go back to school, you gotta do something productive. I said, Mom, okay, give me a year doing this comedy. So my mom was very religious. She was always telling me to pray, read my Bible. I need rent money. It's come time for rent money. I'm like, Mom, you didn't give me rent this month. She's like, well, did you read your Bible? I'm like, Mom, look, I don't have time to talk about the Bible and stuff right now. I need the money. Like, this is for real. They're gonna kick me out. She's like, read your Bible, then talk to me. Mom, okay, goodbye. I hang up with my mom. I ain't gonna do this. Another month go by, I'm getting eviction notices. Mom, stop playing. Like, if you don't give me this money, I'm gonna be homeless. Did you read your Bible? Mom, I don't want to read the Bible right now. I'm not gonna have a place to read it in a minute if you don't give me the money.
Right.
She's like, look, I'm not gonna do this with you, Kevin. Read your Bible, talk to me. It gets close to the third month. I'm like, oh my God, like they're really threatening to kick me out. I finally open up my Bible. When I open it up, my mom put all of the checks for the rest of the year in the Bible.
Amazing.
So I open it and all of my rent checks fall out, and I just sat there with the dumbest look on my face. Called my mom. I said, Mom, I see what you did. You put it in the Bible. She said, did you read it? No, but I got the checks.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel where we don't do and think like the average person out there. So there are two things that I want you to take away from the previous clip with Kevin Hart. One, there's this saying that say, if you want to keep something from a black man, put it in a book. And this was obvious with Kevin Hart. His mama was keep on saying, check the Bible, but yet still, he insisted on checking the Bible. And all his rent money was there sitting down waiting on him just for him to go and check it. And two, this one a little bit more subtle, but one learns by repetition because his mom wants to keep on saying, check the Bible, until it finally registered, and he did, and he found what he was looking for from his mother. I found that reading books is one way to develop yourself and to fast track your progress in whatever you want to achieve, because a book is pretty much outlining something that someone has done before you that you want to do. That's what a lot of books do, and you can learn from one experience by this, and the very book that you're ignoring each and every day could provide the answer to all the problems that you're looking for. But reading is one, action is the other. So when you read, you have to take action on the books that you're reading, because pretty much unapplied knowledge is useless. So in this video today, I'm going to be sharing with you 7 books that every investor must read. They will help you decide which type of investor you want to be and teach you about investing overall. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. Number 1, The Intelligent Investor. Though first published in 1949, the teachings of Benjamin Graham's The Intelligent Investor are still influential today. The book is centered around the well-known value investing strategy, or the practice of buying stocks for less than their value. In other words, stocks that are currently undervalued by the market. The Intelligent Investor shows readers how to make money in the stock market without taking massive risk while tackling the emotional aspect of investing. Number 2, The Little Book of Common Sense Investing. According to John Bogle, the founder and former CEO of the Vanguard Group, the problem with trying to beat the market is it's a loser's game. And the more the managers and brokers take, the less investors make. So in this book, Bogle offers a solution of index funds. He contends that the simplest and most efficient investment strategy is to buy and hold all of the nation's publicly held business at a very low cost. In theory, this is the only investment that guarantees a fair share of the stock market returns. Number 3, One Up on Wall Street by Peter Lynch. Do you want to go one up in the market? Then who better to learn from than one of the most legendary investors of all time? Peter Lynch's One Up on Wall Street Zeroing in on how the average investor can outperform the pros by simply finding everyday investment opportunities before they do. This is called finding a 10-bagger or investing in a stock that appreciates tenfold after you buy it. You'll discover why smart money is not so smart and why you may be a better stock picker than the pros. How to follow your hunches and back them up with facts. How to disregard reports on the economy and pick your own time to buy and sell. And how to determine which stock is right for you. Number 4. A random walk down Wall Street. Wouldn't you like to take a trip to Wall Street? This book takes you to Wall Street without actually being there. A random walk down Wall Street explores how individual investors can make money in the stock market by following a simple path that is guaranteed to bring success. If the investor has patience and get accustomed to a series of concepts about stocks and what analyzing them consists of, you will learn how to analyze potential returns, not only basic stocks and bonds, but for a full range of investment opportunities, from money market accounts and real estate investment trusts to insurance. Individual investors of every level of experience and risk tolerance will find through the book the critical facts and step-by-step guidance they need to protect and grow and earn their dollars. Number 5. Beating the streets. This book covers an integral lesson for all investors. Investing in the stock market isn't always a chance game. Rather, if you do your due diligence regarding the companies you are investing in, you have a much better chance of earning good returns. Lynch says an important key to investing is, remember, stocks are not lottery tickets. In this book, Peter Lynch shows you how you can become an expert in a company and how you can build a profitable investment portfolio based on your own research, experience, and insight, and pretty much a straightforward do-it-yourself research. Number 6. The Little Book of Value Investing. This book describes the theory of value investing, investing in undervalued companies and holding them for a long time, especially if they are not party-hard companies but genuinely undervalued. This book shows you how to use this well-built-in strategy to successfully buy bargain stocks around the world. You'll explore how to value securities and find bargains in the stock market. You'll also learn how to ignore the nice advice from self-proclaimed gurus and other obstacles that can throw off your game. The Little Book of Value Investing also offers strategies for analyzing public company financial statements and disclosures, advice on when you should truly require a specialist opinion, tactics for sticking to your guns when you're attempted to abandon a sound calculation because of the froth in the market. A key takeaway from this book is that you need to invest, but you don't need to be a genius to do it smartly. It is important that you learn before you earn, and there is no doubt that these books will help you to become a better investor. I'll leave the link to these in the description below. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.